Fixing PrizePicks location errors. Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to fix PrizePicks location error. So let's get started. Step number 1, enable location services. For this, open your settings on your device and go to privacy section. Here select location services, then make sure location services are turned on. After this, move to the second option, disable VPN or location altering apps. Ensure you are not using a VPN or any app that changes your device's location. These can interfere with PrizePicks detecting your current location. You can also check age requirement. Make sure you meet the minimum age requirement to create a PrizePicks account, which varies depending on your state or jurisdiction, typically 18, 19, or 21. If still persists, contact support if needed. And that's all. That's how you will be able to fix your PrizePicks location error.